This is Icon of the Seas, the largest passenger ship on the planet, a floating city built to amaze. Subtitles available. At roughly 250,000 gross tons and about 365 meters long, Icon redefines scale, comfort, and engineering on the open seas. Built for families, adventure seekers, and maritime fans, Icon blends cutting-edge technology with resort-level amenities. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll cover how Icon was built, what it measures, how it looks from every angle, and what's inside. Expect animated diagrams, close-up engineering views, luxurious staterooms, the ship's nerve center, and the powerhouse below decks. Let's begin at the beginning, the massive construction that brought Icon from steel plates to seafaring giant. Icon's story began with modular construction, building huge blocks separately before joining them into one enormous hull. Thousands of workers, designers, and engineers synchronized schedules, welding, piping, and outfitting each section simultaneously. Large systems were pre-installed, HVAC, plumbing, wiring, and safety systems, so the blocks arrived nearly ready to integrate. Once joined, the hull was sealed, painted, and prepared for sea trials, the moment engineering met the ocean. Sea trials tested speed, maneuvering, systems, and safety, refining performance before the ship entered service. From blueprint to maiden voyage, Icon's construction combined scale, precision engineering, and modern shipbuilding techniques. Let's break down the core numbers. Overall length is about 365 meters, towering decks, and an enormous beam for stability. Gross tonnage sits around the 250,000 mark, a measure of internal volume that translates into more space for guests and amenities. Guest capacity reaches several thousand at full occupancy, with many cabin types from suites to family staterooms. Propulsion relies on modern LNG-capable engines and electrical systems designed for efficiency and reduced emissions. Safety equipment and redundancy are built in: multiple lifeboats, firefighting systems, and redundant navigation and power controls. On-screen captions will display these specs as we go, so you can see the numbers alongside the images you're watching. From bow to stern, Icon's exterior design balances aesthetics and function, sleek lines, expansive decks, and signature silhouettes. Aerial oblique shots highlight cantilevered balconies, promenade spaces, and water attractions visible across upper decks. Close-ups reveal design details, glass facades, lifeboat integration, mooring hardware, and the sleek bridge wing profile. Night transforms the ship with architectural lighting, pools glow, promenades sparkle, and the skyline silhouette becomes theatrical. From seaward angles, the profile is monumental, designed to be seen from ports and open water with instant recognition. Every exterior reveal is matched with a cinematic musical swell for dramatic moments and to emphasize the ship's scale. Step inside. Icon's public spaces range from grand atriums to themed neighborhoods, each carefully designed to feel both vast and welcoming. Accommodations include luxury suites with private balconies and family staterooms optimized for comfort and storage. The bridge is a high-tech nerve center, packed with radars, navigation displays, and redundant controls for safe operation. Down below, the engine room houses powerful machinery and systems engineers monitor continuously to keep the ship running smoothly. Animated diagrams now show circulation, power distribution, and safety systems so you can see how everything connects on board. In summary, Icon of the Seas is a marvel of scale, engineering, and hospitality. For more ship deep dives, subscribe and hit the bell.